I'm Brittany with WTI, and I love finding new, fun ways to stay fit.
And this Boxer Point speed bag has really been a fun challenge for me. I love that it comes in this handy, simple backpack that you can put not only the speed bag, but everything that you need, the pump, your gloves. You can easily pump it up, connect it to the hook onto the speed bag stand at your gym, or if you have a setup at home, you can do that as well. And then just have at it. It's just so much fun to do rapid jabs, inflated, and the backpack is not very big, but it really allows you to show how you can pack a punch. It was just so much fun. It's very strong and stable and can handle when you hit it hard. It bounces right straight back. And then when you're done, it is easy to deflate, put it back in your backpack, and then put everything that you brought with you, gloves, pump, phone, keys, anything. And then you can just swing it on your back and continue having fun at the gym.
And that's why I think the speed bag by Boxer Point was the punch I needed to get me in shape. And that's my point of view.